In this video, I'll show you how to install CyberGhost VPN on Windows 10 or Windows 11 step by step. So, let's get started. Before moving forward, check the link in the description to try NordVPN for a great price. It's one of the fastest and most reliable VPNs available right now. First, open any web browser on your computer. You can use Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and go to CyberGhost's official website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't already have one, simply create a new account by providing your email and setting up a password. It only takes a minute. After you log in, head over to the VPN downloads section. You'll see multiple options for different platforms. Select CyberGhost VPN for Windows. Then click on the Download App button next to it. This will start downloading the setup file. When the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the setup file to start installing it. If a user account control prompt appears asking for permission, click Yes to allow it. Now, the CyberGhost setup wizard will appear. Just follow the on-screen instructions, accept the terms and conditions, choose your install location if prompted, and then click Install. The installation may take a couple of minutes, depending on your system's speed. Once the installation is complete, the CyberGhost VPN app will either open automatically or you can launch it manually from your desktop shortcut or the Start menu. Next, you'll see the Login screen. Enter your username and password, then click Login. After that, you'll be taken to the CyberGhost main dashboard. To connect to a VPN server, simply click the Connect button in the center. CyberGhost will automatically pick the fastest server for your location. If you prefer, you can also choose a specific country or server manually. Once connected, your internet traffic will be encrypted and your IP address will be hidden. You can verify the connection by checking the connected status in the app. And that's it! You've successfully installed and set up CyberGhost VPN on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Before you go, if you ever find CyberGhost slow or facing blocked servers, there's an excellent alternative. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's one of the fastest and most reliable VPNs available right now. You'll find the NordVPN link in the description at a great price, so definitely check it out.